Welcome to AntMyERP. In this video, it is shown how to auto-assign the call to the engineer or to the vendor. Upon receiving a service call, the system can pre-assign the call to either an engineer or a vendor as per the preset mapping. To map the call, go to the Customer section in CRM Sales. In this section, identify the customer and the devices that are in contract with this customer. Also determine the number of devices that can be mapped to this customer. Click on the Customer section to open the Customer Index View page. Select the name of the customer whose device needs to be mapped. Right-click to access the contract associated with the customer. Upon going to the customer's contract section, the entire historiography of the customer opens, where the dashboard, KPI, profit, lead, quotation, etc. can be seen. In the customer's contract section, click on the product section to see how many products this customer has. From the customer's contract section, determine whether the property belongs to the customer or to your organization. This will represent the total number of products that are included in the contract. To map the products, go to the All Products section. Upon selecting all products, all devices will display along with the option to map them. If wanted, a device can be mapped to a vendor or an engineer. Upon selecting Auto Service Engineer, there is an option to map the vendor and an option to map the service engineer. If the device is being mapped to an engineer, enter the engineer's name in the provided field. After entering the engineer's name, save it to complete the mapping process. Upon saving, any call logged in the system with this serial number will be automatically assigned to the specified engineer. And the call center team that is logging in will also see which engineer this ticket is being assigned to. Here, this service engineer is mapped. If there is another device that needs to be mapped from the vendor, then click on the auto. Enter the vendor's name here. It will be shown in the drop-down. It will only be visible in the drop-down when there is a contract with that vendor. The mapping can only be done if the vendor attends the call on your behalf. If multiple team of that vendor have been added, then select the name of that team here. When the call will be logged in the system, it will automatically be assigned in the name of Standard Print Infotech Remedy. This way, the device can be mapped from the engineer to the vendor. Provided that the contract is not over 01 is logged in. Upon selecting the customer, the assignee will automatically be named engineer. By selecting Remedy Enterprises, the serial number can be chosen. Upon searching, the serial number of 01 will be displayed. The engineer's name will be displayed there when the device is selected. The engineer's name is automatically displayed here. This process enables the mapping of the device from the engineer to the vendor. Upon logging in, the engineer's name will be automatically visible to the team. When the serial number is added, Vina will attend the call. If there is a vendor, their name will be displayed in this section. This method allows for the mapping of the device to the entire ERP, which will auto-assign the call. Thank you.
Thank you.